Why did you take the drop? Do you think it really helped you? Do you think it was the right decision? And secondly, you wanted to go to mechanical engineering, then what forced you to go for the IT? Are you really happy in the IT, or you could have done better in the mechanical stream which you really wanted to do? Why this change? What forced you to change? Yeah.
Okay. So, after my 10th examination, I wanted to study ECB. I wanted to pursue neurosurgery. That was my initial plan. But due to certain financial constraint in the family, I had to take up commerce stream because like when I went around, as you know, the competitive exams, you need to take tuitions for JEE and NEET. I had this perception.
Okay, since you want to join the Air Force, can you tell me, can you compare the Chinese Air Force with Indian Air Force? Tell me the three main fighter jets of the Chinese Air Force and three of the Indian Air Force. How do you really compare with both of them? Do we have the fifth generation aircraft? Do the Chinese have it? How do you think if we have the edge or the Chinese have the edge, and why? Yeah.
So the Chinese Air Force is definitely larger in number as compared to the number of squadrons and the aircrafts which they have. We have less number of squadrons as compared to China. Coming to the major aircrafts, which India has the major aircraft. We have Su-30 right now, Su-30 MKI. Then we have MiG-29, and then we have our Tejas, which is being inducted. And also the Rafale is coming. It is so after the Rafale comes, it would be in the top 3 list.
Okay, tell me what is your opinion about the CAA?
Sir, the CAA, which I believe is not 100% wrong and it's not 100% right. There are certain provisions which are valid in the CAA. For example, it offers refuge and citizenship to persecuted minorities in other countries, nearby countries, like in Pakistan, Afghanistan, and in Bangladesh, and it is quite just. It is quite right on there because they definitely suffer there in those countries because of their non-secular lineage, but there are certain provisions which are wrong.
Can you tell me, suppose we tell you to implement or recommend 3 policies for the India. We are given this power. So what 3 policies you are going to recommend for implementation immediately?
The first thing which I would recommend is to modify the syllabus of the education system. Second thing I would recommend is to improve the public distribution system of the policies.
How many OLQs are there?
15.
Because we give marks based on the OLQ. Okay, I will be giving OLQs which are divided into 4 factors. I will be giving you grades. I will give you 4 grades. These grades are no number. The first grade is pass, second grade is average, third grade is borderline, and fourth grade is fail. Have you understood?
Okay, sir.
The first quality is effective intelligence. You have passed in that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The second quality is reasoning ability. Again, I have passed you. Third is organizing ability. I have passed you. Okay. Fourth is the power of speech. Though your communication skills are good, power of speech is conveying with clarity, precisely to the point so that others understand. That's called power of expression. Your communication is good, your power of expression is average. Have you understood?
Okay, sir.
Now, factor 2. Factor 2 are the qualities of heart. Your social adaptability is average. Your cooperation is pass. Your sense of responsibility is good, you are pass. Now, coming to the factor 3. Okay?
So, like you said, I am smart, but I am not impressive. So,
yes.
What's the difference?
Listen, good point. Smart, smart, but why not impressive? Impressive has something more to it. For impressive, there is a quality called ability to influence the group.
Yes, sir.
The impressiveness, see this, why you have not impressive, I said, see this, look here. If the ability to influence the group is in the center, there are 4 things supporting it. What are these 4 things? It is your knowledge, it is your confidence. Your confidence is also average. It is your power of expression, which is again an average. It is your body language, your liveliness, your facial expression, your body language, basically body. These four things are good, then your ability to influence the group becomes better.
And so you talked about liveliness. What like basically what made you think that liveliness that maybe like what I believe is that you asked me a question as to how I would prepare a gathering with the family. So was it that part I should improve or anything else?
It is basically, overall, the personality is not one day affair. It's over a time you have accumulated this personality. Okay, it is going to take time. Only by repetition, by practice, you can improve this personality. You've got to be happy in your life in your day-to-day routine. Ask yourself, are you happy today? How can you be happy by small, doing small things? And having no resentment in your heart will also make you happy. Why are you carrying? You are carrying, I can tell you are carrying about 6 to 7 kg load on your shoulders. Today, throw that load, throw it away. And the moment you become lighter, that is the start point for your personality to improve. Yeah.
Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers, and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364 052525 to inquire and register.